Welcome back to Naturalhub, health enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a journey through time and science to explore the wonders of berberine, a natural compound with a rich history in traditional medicine and modern research. Join us as we uncover the 5 specific ways berberine can work wonders in stabilizing your blood sugar levels. Before we dive into its benefits, let's take a moment to appreciate the historical roots of berberine. Derived from plants like barberry and golden seal, berberine has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. Ancient healers recognized its potential in treating various ailments, including digestive issues and infections. Now let's delve into the first way berberine can stabilize your blood sugar, enhancing insulin sensitivity. This concept isn't new. Ancient healers observed berberine's ability to balance bodily functions, including insulin regulation. Today, modern research confirms that berberine can indeed improve insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable ally for managing blood sugar levels. Moving on to our second point, let's talk about berberine's influence on liver glucose production. In traditional medicine, berberine-rich plants were often prescribed to support liver health. Fast forward to modern times, and we now know that berberine can reduce the liver's production of glucose, helping to prevent blood sugar spikes. Our third benefit dives into the relationship between berberine and muscle glucose uptake. Ancient practitioners valued physical activity and understood the importance of efficient energy utilization. Berberine's ability to enhance glucose uptake in muscle cells aligns perfectly with these ancient principles, supporting better blood sugar control, especially during exercise. Now let's explore how berberine slows down sugar absorption in the intestines. Traditional medicine often emphasized the importance of balanced nutrition and digestive health. Berberine's role in inhibiting sugar absorption echoes these age-old teachings, contributing to a more stable blood sugar response after meals. Last but certainly not least, let's touch on berberine's impact on insulin resistance. Ancient healers recognized the signs of insulin imbalance and sought remedies to restore harmony within the body. Berberine's ability to reduce insulin resistance reflects this holistic approach, paving the way for better blood sugar management in today's world. In conclusion, berberine's journey from ancient medicine to modern science showcases its enduring relevance in blood sugar stabilization. Whether it's enhancing insulin sensitivity, modulating liver function, supporting muscle health, regulating intestinal absorption, or combating insulin resistance, berberine offers a holistic approach rooted in centuries of healing wisdom. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of berberine's history and benefits. If you found this information intriguing, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of natural health. Remember, the secrets of wellness often lie in the wisdom of the past. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy. Take the first step towards better blood sugar control. Click the link below to shop berberine supplements now. Here's to a healthier, happier you.